timepiece goes over us all for punching it. Point branches of heels. Carries it over in bell from wood bell.
18-karat rose gold, 75% pure gold alloyed with copper, the precise formula that gives every submariner its signature warmth. 18-karat rose gold, known, certified, hallmarked, and pure known, the foundation upon which every Rolex submariner's legacy is built. Rolex tests every alloy batch against a proprietary standard no external supplier can replicate, because the Rolex vault holds more than precious metal. It holds the promise that every submariner leaving this manufacture will be identical to the last. Only rose gold that meets every Rolex specification advances, the rest is returned, because a submariner accepts nothing less than perfection. Before a single tool touches metal, every gram of rose gold is traced, authorized, and assigned bin. Rolex knows the vault opens, the machines awaken, and 2,000 dreams of rose gold precision begin their journey toward becoming the Rolex Submariner.
12 Swiss CNC machining centers awaken simultaneously, and in Geneva, rose gold begins.
Every bore, every thread, every lug geometry machined into this rose gold blank follows a blueprint so precise that
Before a single polishing wheel touches rose gold, Rolex eliminates every internal stress from the metal.
From a solid rose gold ingot, the unmistakable silhouette of the Rolex Submariner emerges for the first time, and the watch begins to exist.
4 parallel lines of Swiss precision engineering work as one organism, each rose gold blank at 4.3 seconds per operation. This rose gold becomes something the world will desire for generations, one precise cut at a time.
Every 50 units, Rolex verifies 47 critical dimensions flat, because the Submariner tolerates no deviation, and neither does the manufacturer that builds it.
2,000 rose gold Submariner blanks leave the realm of machining and enter the world of artistry, Artistry Prime.
20 Rolex master craftsmen work in silence, because anglage, the art of hand beveling every edge of
The moment satin meets mirror on rose gold, the Rolex Submariner stops being a component and becomes a desire.
The Rolex crown engraved on this 6mm winding crown required 18 years of mastery to perfect,
and it will be 4 hours at 350 degrees. And this rose gold Submariner case achieves a hardness that will resist the demands of a lifetime of adventure. The Rolex robotic transfer system exerts precisely 0.8 newtons of force on each rose gold case.
Phase 3 complete, and Phase 4 commencing.
2,000 rose gold Submariner cases, each
24 cameras firing simultaneously, trained on 2.3 million reference images. The Rolex AI vision
47 laser measurements, every one verified to within 1,000th of a millimeter. Rolex measures the color of rose gold with the same precision a scientist measures starlight light, because every rose gold Submariner case is tested to 360 meters, 20% beyond its rated depth, because Rolex 7 cases from 2000, a rejection rate of 0.35%, and every one of those 7 teaches the Rolex production AI.
16 screens, 1,847 inspections, and a 99.65%.
1,993 rose gold Submariner cases, each one stamped, tracked, and certified.
The iconic Rolex green box has carried the world's most coveted watches for decades.
Every rose gold Submariner case receives its own identity, a serial number, a weight certification, and a packaging set.
The Rolex crown on this green box is verified to within 0.3 of a millimeter of its specified position.
A 12-micron transparent shield, invisible to the eye but absolute in its protection load, ensures that the rose gold
4 lines, 120 rose gold Submariner cases per hour, 0 tolerance for error. 1,993 rose gold Submariner cases surge toward their destiny, Rolex, and in the roll.
The moment a rose gold Rolex Submariner settles into its green box is the moment 2 years of Swiss engineering met. When the Rolex green lid closes and the holographic seal is applied, the rose gold Submariner enters a state of perfection. Every sealed Rolex carton carries the complete story of its contents, from the certified rose gold ink.
The Rolex green box.
In 88 seconds, the Rolex robotic palletizer builds a perfect tower of 330 rose gold Submariner watch.
8 layers of transparent stretch film containing 465 kilograms of Rolex precision, and through every layer, 6 labels on 6 pallets complete the traceability chain that began with a rose gold ingot in an armored truck. 50 automated guided vehicles navigate the Rolex manufacture in perfect silence. 24 meters above the warehouse floor, 1,903 rose gold Submariner. 4 vehicles depart the Rolex manufacturer simultaneously, carrying 847 rose gold Submariner watches toward London. The moment the last rose gold Submariner leaves the production floor, the Rolex manufacturer begins its
847 grams of rose gold microparticles collected from the production lines in the Rolex manufacture. Even the
For 45 minutes, every surface in the Rolex manufacture is exposed to 40 milliwatts per square centimeter of sterilizing ultraviolet light.
12 AI maintenance robots inspect 47 critical systems simultaneously, not to find what has broken.
At 3:47 in the morning, the Rolex engineering director signs off on 14 inspection points again. 287 particles per cubic meter, less than a third of the permitted maximum. The Rolex manufacturer.
Before dawn, while the world still sleeps, the Rolex manufacturer restarts, because somewhere on Earth,
Every rose gold Submariner built today is powered entirely by renewable energy, solar panels on the Rolex rooftop, hydroelectric. 847 grams of rose gold recovered white. 47,000 Swiss francs of precious metal that would have been discarded by
3.67 kilograms of carbon, 70% less than 5 years ago, and every gram of it offset.
the Rolex digital twin tested a new machining program on 2,000 virtual rose gold Submariner cases before.
The first rose gold Submariner plank produced on the base program is 4.7.
This is the Rolex Marigold.
47,000 square meters of Swiss precision engineering. Every room active, every machine running, every craftsman focused.
The gold bowl. The same rose gold, the same atoms that arrived in an armored truck this morning, now carry the most. From a manufacturer in Geneva, 1,093 rose gold Submariner watches.
72 hours after leaving Geneva as a certified rose gold ingot, the Rolex Submariner takes its position.
Every machine, every craftsman, every quality check, every sleepless night of production, they all existed for this single.
At 10 o'clock on a Geneva night, while the world sleeps, 200 Rolex craftsmen are building rose gold Submariners.